This is how close I am to losing it.
Alright, what's up guys? First of all, I have a rattler in the van and it is driving me crazy. Anyways, today we got the classic coil and condenser install. We're reusing the customer, not reusing, it's a new coil. I don't know why or how they have it, but they had the coil already and they bought a condenser from us, so you never know how that's gonna go, but it went pretty smoothly. The coil that they had was sitting in a case from another coil that is, you'll see the video. I ended up just doing an uncased version. Anyways, now I don't know what I'm saying. I'm rusty. Like the video, watch the video, love it. All right, peace. Also, for all you service guys out there, I do service myself every now and then, so I'm thinking of it when I'm doing these installs. I made the indoor coil serviceable. All you have to do is take out the front face of the plenum, and the line set's not gonna come with it. You don't have to cut into it. You'll see what I'm talking about. All right.
So here's the coil. This is not the case for the coil, obviously. I'm probably just gonna keep it uncased and build a bracket, run a new line set. Okay, we're keeping it uncased. Building some nice little brackets here. You'll see it. This is how close I am to losing it. That's the only thing we can do here. Normally we do MIP, come off and make it a little bit more serviceable, but that exhaust is not moving. So, you know, working with what we got. We made it work though. That board just pisses me off. I'm definitely gonna screw it up. Bends turned out pretty nice. Slid this up here close to where it's going to be able to make some marks, cut them, slide it back into place, go from there. Crisp.
All right, guys, we're home now. That's going to be it for the day. I'm going to put the van in the garage, spend some time with the dog, eat dinner, go to the gym, you know, all the fun stuff. If you like this video, make sure you're actually liking it. Like if you were trying to scratch this glue off my hat, like that, hit the like button. Anyways, subscribe if you really liked it and you really want to see more of my weird self. Hit that subscribe button. All right, peace.